Welcome to the Beginner's Guide to BMO Savings Account. This tutorial will walk you through the process of opening and managing a BMO savings account. To start, you need to understand what a BMO savings account is. It is a type of deposit account offered by the Bank of Montreal that allows you to save your money while earning interest. The first step is to determine which type of BMO savings account is right for you. BMO offers several types of savings accounts, including the BMO Savings Builder account and the BMO Smart Saver account. Each account has its own features and benefits, so it is essential to research and compare the different options before making a decision. Once you have chosen the type of account you want to open, you can apply online or in person at a BMO branch. You will need to provide some personal and financial information, such as your name, address, and social insurance number. After your account is open, you can make deposits and withdrawals, and you can also set up automatic transfers from your checking account. It is crucial to understand the fees associated with your account, such as monthly maintenance fees and overdraft fees. To avoid these fees, make sure to keep a minimum balance in your account and do not overdraft. Another essential aspect of managing your BMO savings account is keeping track of your account activity. You can do this by setting up online banking and mobile banking. This will allow you to view your account balance, transaction history, and statements at any time. Finally, it is essential to take advantage of the benefits offered by your BMO savings account, such as interest rates and rewards. By following these steps and tips, you can make the most of your BMO savings account and achieve your savings goals. Remember to always review and understand the terms and conditions of your account before opening it. And do not hesitate to contact BMO customer service if you have any questions or concerns.